There was this one time one of my students asked me, Arpit, can you tell me what is the hardest thing that you do in your profession? What is the hardest thing? What is the biggest obstacle? What is the biggest challenge for you? And I thought about it for a minute, and the answer came out very easily. I asked him rather, I said, have you ever rode a plane? He says, no, I can't fly a plane because I don't have a license. I said, fair enough. Have you ever driven a car? He says, yes, I've driven a car. I drive my car every day. I said, what's the difference? And he said, well, I have not been trained to fly a plane and uh, I won't be allowed to fly a plane either. But I have trained myself to drive my car and that's a great utility and I drive it every day. That's why. And I find riding the car safe. And obviously, even if I'm allowed, I won't be able to fly a plane because I know I might end up crashing it. I said, that exactly is my biggest problem. Because when we talk about investing money, when we talk about managing money, when we talk about trading, when we talk about so many other aspects of money, so it's not just obviously only about investing. There's always saving. There is so many other tools of money management, so many other things that one has to do. Saving on taxes and taking care of budgeting is important. Contingency fund is important. So many things. So the problem that the biggest problem that I have is that it's unlike flying a plane, there is no restriction of the qualification required to invest your money. Anyone who has money can invest. There is no barrier of entry. And people who fly, they don't fly because they want to fly, they fly because they want to get to a certain destination. Destination, when it comes to money, is making more money, right? Or achieving a goal that you have in your mind. Now, the thing is that people don't want to learn how to fly the plane, but they want to, or let me put it in a different way. People, because there is no barrier of entry in investments, they want to invest and get the results themselves. While they have no experience, no qualification, there is no barrier of entry, and absolutely no skill or knowledge. And because of that, people start losing money. And they lose the confidence that they can make money. Now, the story doesn't just stop here. These people then tell other people who have little confidence or have little knowledge that, this is not something you can do. And those people also lose hope. But I simply want to say, to achieve anything in life, to create any kind of success in life, there is a step by step method, there's a step by step process. If you just simply follow the process, simply follow the method, simply uh, follow the recipe of how a certain thing can be done, does not matter I do it, you do it, a third person does it, someone who has no experience as well can also do it. And if the person just follows that step by step method, obviously the result is going to come, because this is a science, this is not luck. There's a very very small element of luck, maybe less than 5% is luck, but everything else is the science of making money, the art of making money, and it's an art which can be copied and pasted. Every single person can do it. There are financial systems who can do it. But the problem, it all starts with here. The mindset is where now the answer to the big question is the mindset. The mindset that people do not want to invest in their learning of them upgrading their mindset, then learning about how to become more wealthy, to think like the wealthy, to upgrade the way of the at least the mental way of money management first, before actually investing, before actually planning money, before diving into the whole context of making more money out of the money you already have. That, I believe, is the hardest thing. And those people not only lose their money, they feel dejected. Not only does their family suffer, they also transmute this false knowledge that money cannot be made into other people. And it's really sad to see, because someone who's been doing it and is already excelling in it and is also helping people to do it, for that person it seems like, well, this is obviously not true and this is not obviously how things work. So I just I just really want to share this with everyone that, just like any science, like flying a plane, like riding a bike or driving a car, there's a science to doing every single thing in the world. Even going to the moon, there's a science to it. And back to back, people have gone and they've been successful, right? So that is exactly how the game of money is also played. It's just a matter of if you know the steps, if you know the science, if you know how to play the game. Most people don't even know the rules of the game. How are you going to win the game? So that is the problem. Learning, acquiring, upgrading your money mindset, that is first most important. Then comes investing, and then will come the results that you rightfully want. So people jump to the results without looking at the steps, which is why the consequences are not in their own favor. So I just thought this video could really, change your perspective, or if you've had a bad experience, tell you why you had a bad experience. Rather, it's not luck. It is my friend humbly saying this. This is you. It's not luck. So I wish you all the best. I wish that you were able to learn and upgrade yourself in such a way that making money is a easy peasy job for you. God bless you.